supposed to get in here? Oh, it works. It sucks nice. What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be actually cleaning out the car a little bit, and we're gonna be fixing this gas pedal. Actually made a video a couple weeks ago, I believe. Somebody commented on the video. As you can see, this gas pedal is supposed to be right here, and it's all the way back there. So he hooked us up and let us know that pretty much one of the easiest ways to do it is zip ties. It's pretty common on these cars, so we're gonna knock that out and see if it drives better. Clean the car up, clean all the interior, and then I'm gonna take it out for a drive and let y'all know how it drives. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the forehead, so let's do it. All right, man, it's gonna be a tough angle, so I hope y'all can see this. But, oh my goodness. All right, we got to go like this first. Got to get under the steering wheel. Do a back handstand on this thing. Pause. Hey, if you claustrophobic, this is not the job for you. I'm gonna let you know that right here. Ugh. Oh God, how are you supposed to get in here? Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see right here. Oh yeah, not as far. Find it by the light. All right, goodness, this ain't fun. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm officially done. It's better, but. Oh yeah, y'all can see. Oh, it works. It sucks nice. All right, we're gonna jump into vacuuming the car. It's a little later in the day. I'm gonna hit a little time lapse over this. We may even just check the shifter and see what's in there, because I'm gonna try to take the LED strips out today. So I'm gonna time lapse just a little bit. So. Ow!
Invincible.
Oh! Trunk release right there? Yeah. I think I can lock it.
What? That shit's cool.
I'm gonna do the rubber for right now, just because I'm kind of tired of. The guy on the video made it look a lot easier.
It's got probably like 4 or 5 snap-ins.
There you go.
Yeah.
Twist out. Damn, playing some tunes today, aren't
I'm saying, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
You gonna go do short throw?
Yeah. Hey, MGW.
Come on, man.
Get at your boy. Get at your boy. Send this one out so we can do a thorough review on this. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that rubber.
Oh, the rubber garment. There it is.
Sorry.
I'll have to put it back in there. That's all it is right there. See if you can
You want to take it out?
yeah, might as well.
Fuck it.
Why does it feel wrong? Oh, there it is.
Yanko.
All right, so what's that cord going to?
Just like neat stuff like that.
Well, we got this put back in, and it definitely looks brand new over here. As well as the back seat's clean.
That's very unfortunate.
We got pretty much everything done. Bro, the throttle response is crazy.
I bet you it's so nice right
It's so much better. But like I was saying, it took me a while to get used to it just because I was so used to whenever I would
all the way at the end.
yeah, I would downshift and I would be pretty much like half throttle. So I would use most of the throttle.
It sounds so good in here.
You like it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm ready for that one to be in here.
I said it pulls nice.
It does. Now it's just the top of third, or the bottom of third, sorry. It's not bad on torque on
No,
second.
I wasn't ready for that one.
I just had to miss third, didn't I? This shifter's kind of annoying, but I have to slam third.
Boosty. Alright, I'm prepared now. Shit so hard the radio came on.
Dude, I hit the limiter.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't even, honestly, I wasn't even looking at the RPMs. I was just... Oh, that's what it is, okay. I wanted to make sure I was like...
Yeah, like there's some metal noise.
So what do you think so far?
Dude, I love it.
It's really so much fun to drive. My favorite thing to do is like when I turn onto a road
Get a
and
little
I'll just,
loose.
yeah, I'll punch it and it gets loose, but it's like...
It's you can control it
It's
though.
not... Oh, you can see now. Look at my headlight.
Oh yeah. Can't see shit. Is that your brights?
Yep.
Yowza. You really cannot see shit.
Bro, I'm telling you. Imagine at night, bro, and imagine running like this.
Jesus.
Hear things. Bro, when it rains hard, at that point I'm just like,
You look like Helen Keller.
alright, God, if we get home, it's because of you. I think I'm a... Should I do a roll in or should I just dump it and go?
Just dump it and go.
Okay. see where it limited to 4?
Yeah.
Oh, I smell it. You smell it?
Yeah, she got a little warm.
Yo, this is mad pretty. Bro, you know what's funny, bro? These are the nights I like. When I was laying sick in my bed, bro, these are the nights I like. I was like, bro, God. This is like, I would dream about like nights like this. You know what I mean?
What's going on, cruising?
All right, YouTube, that's gonna be all for today's. That's gonna be all for today's video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. We got the car nice and cleaned up. Got the throttle cable fixed. Thanks to my guy for letting us know what that was. I'm gonna give him a shout out once again. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Next video, y'all gotta stay tuned for it because we have some big things coming. So thank you guys once again, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.